Customers can buy the skills or services of their workers, like a plumber, a lawyer, or a consultant, from service-based companies. Since services are not tangible and are different from things you can buy, the ways that advertisers sell them are also different. If you work in advertising, learning about services marketing could help you make more money, get more leads, and make more people aware of your brand. What is the selling of services? Service marketing is a way for companies that offer a service to their customers to get more people to know about their brand and buy from them. Services marketing, on the other hand, focuses on advertising intangible activities that customers find valuable. Effective marketing tactics for services help advertisers build trust with their customers and show them how their service can help them. Businesses may use ideas, perks, and promises to help sell their services as part of their marketing plans for those services. For example, a business that offers wellness coaching might talk about the benefits of living a healthier life, how they can help their customers reach their fitness goals, and how it's easier to start a good wellness routine with the help of a certified coach. Who uses marketing for services? Services marketing is a way for companies that offer a service to reach possible customers. Some well-known service-based businesses that use this type of marketing are telecommunications, well-being and health, financial, tourism, relaxation and entertainment, transportation, hospitality, consulting, design, marketing and sales, management, education, business, trade, restaurants. Depending on the service, this type of advertising can be both business to consumer, B2C, and business to business, B2B. Marketing and sales professionals in these industries can use services marketing strategies to raise brand awareness, create leads, and get new customers. How is marketing services different from marketing products? Companies use both marketing services and marketing products to find new customers. However, marketing services and marketing products are different in a number of ways. Some of the most important differences between these two types of marketing are: 1. Products you can touch versus services you can't touch. It may be easier to market tangible goods than services that can't be seen or touched because marketers can easily show them and show how they work. Customers may also find it easy to decide how much something is worth. Since services are not tangible, advertisers often focus on marketing the people who provide the service and building relationships with possible customers. This can help people trust you and make you more money. 2. Customization. Services can be tailored to meet the specific needs of each customer, unlike goods, which are often made in one way and sold as it is. If a company offers digital marketing services, it might change which platforms it focuses on based on what each customer wants. As an advertiser, you can show this by focusing on how you can change a service so that it works better for a wide range of people. 3. Who owns what? When a customer buys something, they become the owner of it. This means that they can keep using the goods as long as they want and sell it again if they want to. When a customer buys a service, the business keeps the workers, skills, and abilities that were used to provide the service. When marketing a product, the focus may be on why a customer wants to buy it. When marketing a service, however, the focus is on building the service provider's brand and personality. A business that offers personal therapy services might talk about how caring, professional, and well-educated their staff is to get people to book an appointment. 4. Trust. Customers can return an object if they are unhappy with it, but they can't return a service if they are unhappy with it. This is why services marketing puts a lot of effort into building trust with customers and making sure they have a great experience every time they connect with their audience. Service-based businesses also want to make sure their customers are happy, so they will keep buying services from them. When a hair salon hires friendly, skilled hairdressers, they can get more return customers and word-of-mouth advertising because customers know they will get great service. 5. Time. Most businesses offer their services to customers at a certain time or for a certain amount of time. After this, customers will have to renew their service deal if they want to keep getting the service. But a customer can buy a product once and keep using it for as long as they want. Because of this, services marketing usually works on selling subscriptions, getting customers to refer their friends, and keeping customers rather than selling a single product. A hotel might give a customer who just stayed there a free night that they can use on a future ticket. This can make people more likely to stay at the hotel on their next trip. 6. Market size. Companies that sell services may have a smaller market than companies that sell products. This is because most businesses can ship products to customers anywhere in the world, but many companies can only offer services in a certain area. For example, a gardening company may only work with people who live within 50 miles of their business. So, advertisers who sell services may focus more on building strong relationships with their customers in order to get recommendations and repeat business. They might also try to sell updates to increase the amount of money they can make from each customer. Here are some tips to help you make a good marketing plan for services for your next campaign. Incentivize possible customers. One way to get people to buy your services is to give them something extra. As part of a special campaign, you could give new customers a one-time discount or a free gift. Implement a referral service. Another great way to get people to know about your services is to ask your present customers to tell their friends, family, and coworkers about you. You can give people a discount, an upgrade, or something else for every person they tell about your service who signs up. Take care of your current customers. Keep in touch with your existing customers on a regular basis to make sure they are happy with your service and to find out if they have any other needs. You can reach out to them by email, phone, survey, or by giving your present customers special deals. Digital promotion should be used. In addition to making a professional website to promote your services, you might also want to make business pages and posts on popular social media sites. This can make it easy for people who are interested in your services to get in touch with you and find out more about what you offer. Get active in your neighborhood. Participate by going to trade shows, networking events, and chances to do volunteer work. This can help you show what you stand for as a service-based company, meet new customers, and get more people to tell their friends about you. It can also help you make deals with other businesses in your area that can be very helpful. Ask for feedback from customers. Using customer testimonials as part of your plan to sell your services can help your target audience trust you. Customer reviews can be helpful because they show how you helped other customers who may have had similar needs. Show off your badges and awards. If you've won any awards or badges for service proof that make your business stand out from the competition, you might want to use them in your services marketing plan. Pay attention to the steps. Your customers care about the results your service can give them, but the way you provide your service can also be valuable. Tell potential customers about the things you do that make you stand out, such as being flexible, quick to respond, offering personalized services, or having payment plans. Show off your people. Through employee support, you can show people who are behind the services you offer. Include your workers in your advertising. You can use professional photos of your team, video interviews, and quotes from your workers.